Very important. This is the judgment given by Rajasthan High Court on CA student versus ICA yesterday. This is the landmark decision. This is related to November 2020 examinations. I will tell you what actually happened. There is a CA inter student who wrote her exam in November 2020. We all know that exam results came on February. When she opened for results the website, she was shocked because the results are withheld. And also she got a mail from the institute saying that she used derogatory marks, and exam committee sent a mail that she should attend near the exam committee to give an explanation. She went there and gave an explanation, but the exam committee did not satisfy and cancelled her results. So she did not take a back step, and she took a forward step and went to the court. He went to the Rajasthan court for seeking the justice. Then Rajasthan High Court decided in favor of CA student as fundamental right of freedom of speech against ICI for withholding the result due to the derogatory remarks used. Finally, that CA inter student won the case against ICI. Court told that institute can withhold or cancel the result for the mistakes done in the examination hall during the exam, but cannot withhold the result because of the comments on social media. Because making comments on social media is not related to the examinations, and court that said that it is the oppression of fundamental right of constitution. On examining the results, she had cleared the CA inter examinations. Wow, she have cleared her inter examinations, and also Gall won the case and cleared her CA inter. So this is what happened in this case. She had made her comments on social media against the institute, so institute got angry and withheld the results and later on cancelled her results. She has requested for at least to show the result, but institute did not agree, so she went to the court, and then court decided that it, institute should not do like that because it is the operation of fundamental right of speech. So High Court ordered ICI to give her the result, and it is not the good case. So finally she won the case, and also she cleared her CA inter. This is related to this judgment. It happened yesterday. The judgment has come yesterday night. So this is the PDF relating to her case, ICA versus CA student. This is landmark decision, and we should appreciate for her bravery. For more and latest updates, subscribe to our channel.